So second rule you can see, it should not begin with any numerical digits. So it should not form a numbers, it should not be begin, for that is the case. And comma or blank space should not be specified. So we should not specify these two things. This is very very important. And keyword cannot be represented as an identifier. This is the main important point. Okay, so keyword cannot be represented as an identifier. That is very very important in while representing the identifier. Actually, this is your first point, but I am telling at the last. So you should not represent the keyword as your identifier. So you should follow these rules for writing identifiers, right? So in this two concepts of tokens are completed. So next we are going for operators. So this is your main concept where we are going to apply any logic or any concept you want to implement in the C language. You should know this operator. So what are the operators or what are the types of operators you are going to see in this part. So you can see here operators are nothing but performing the operation. So performing the operation with the variable and values. So with the variable and the values we are going to perform the operation is called as an operators. So the operators are classified into different part. So these are the types of operators, that is unary operator, arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, assignment operator, ternary or conditional operator. Okay, so these are the operators we are going to discuss in our video. So these are the things we can see. So for unary operator you are saying, so unary operator is nothing but only one operator will be used. So for plus plus and minus minus are the one operator. So this will be used as unary operator. So remaining all are the binary operators, because we are going to apply two variables. For that we are using this two operators. So these are all the two operators. And ternary, in the sense we are not using any 2 to 3 variables. It is based on these two symbols, that is question mark and the colon, specifying that we have to perform the operation for this. Okay, so this is your operator. So we will be discussing these things one by one in this section. So now we will be seeing arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are nothing but we can able to perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So we are going to perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo and other numerical values. So this is called as an arithmetic operation. So these are all the arithmetic operations we are going to perform. So this stands for modulo. So remainder after division, we are calling as remainder after division, we are called as a modulo operation. So you can see the program here. So you can see the program. So how they have represented, you see. So this is your header file and this is your main function, and I have declared int, data type int stands for integer. This is your variable a, b and c. So these are all the variables here. So the variable I am going to store the value a equal to 9, b is equal to 4 and c is nothing but another variable. Okay, so here we are having three variables are being represented, a, b and c. So a is equal to 9, b is equal to 4 and c is the result I need to display, answer I need to display here. So we can see the remaining section here. So what is happening here is c is equal to a plus b. So you are having already the two variables a and b. So what is the value of a is 9 plus 4, whatever output you are getting, that will be displayed in the c. So addition operation, arithmetic operator is being performed here. So next is your printf function. So in the printf function what we will be doing, a plus b is equal to percentage d. D stands for the number. So you are already getting 9 plus 4 value. That value will be displayed, stored in this particular percentage d, that is c. C value, this value will be stored and it will come here and it will be printed in the printf display. So next one you see a minus b. So whatever a 9 minus 4, whatever value you are getting, that will be stored in c and that will be displayed here. So that will be written here. So next one a into b. So whatever multiplied value will be stored here and it will come here. A divided by b, that is percentage D again. So C will come here. C is equal to A modulo B also can be done. That will be displayed. So I will be showing hands-on session after completing these things. Then you will get more idea. So here I got the output A plus B, A minus B, A into B, A divided by B. So this is the output which I have gone for the value 9 and 4. So this is your example for the arithmetic operator. So next we will be seeing the next operator. So next is the relational operator. So the relational operator is nothing but it is one type of operator where we need to find the comparisons and to check the number which is greatest. For that case we will be using this relational operator for checking any condition, comparison. So you can see comparison between the values. You can see here. Then here we will be using Boolean values either 1 or 0. For that case we will be using either true or false. For that case we will be using this relational operator. So these are the list of relational operator, that is equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than is equal to, greater than is equal to. So we will be applying these things for your program to check any condition, to check any value which is equal or not for that case. So I will show this one also with an example now. So you can see the example. So you can see the example here. It is already given the hash include stdio.h and main function. So here I am taking int data type. Int stand for integer, and this is your variable a, b and c, and the value is being stored in the variable a, b and c. So with this a, b and c I am going to perform these all operators now. So we will see here. So in the printf statement itself I have given here. You can see, come to this. A is equal to B. So what is the value of A is equal to and B is equal to 5 equal to 5. So this is true only. So A value is 5, B value is 5. So we will be checking 5 is equal to 5. It is true. So true will be printed. True or 1 will be printed. So we can either call true or 1. So true. So next one. So we are having A is not equal to B. So in this case A is not equal to B. 5 is not equal to 5. So that is false, right? So the false will be coming here. So the false can be either printed 1 or 0, right? So next one you see A less than C. So what is the value of A here? What is the value of C? So 5 less than 10. So it is true only. So this will be printed as true. So 1 will be printed or true will be printed. So next one, what will happen? So here A greater than C. So 5 greater than 10, that is false only. So for the statement it is 0. Similarly for this one you see A less than equal to A, what is the value? A 5 less than is equal to 5. So you check whether 5 less than, two operators are there. Less than is there, equal to is there. So first one it is not coming. Second one it is accepting the condition. So this is true only. So 5 less than is equal to 5, it is true. For that case I am taking as 1 or true. So next one you see A greater than equal to 5. So A greater than equal to, that is also true only because we are having greater value as well as equal. Two operators we are having. So I said that will be also 1. Okay. So this is an example for your relational operator. Okay. So again I will be showing in the hands-on session in the upcoming lecture. Okay. So this is your relational operator. So next operator